Okay, Cletus is gonna attempt to do that. That's how big it is. Let's see the idiot go. See how good the idiot can do. Get out of the way.
Remove the box. Whoa.
Come on!
Tell me when the camera's rolling.
It's rolling. It's
Tape
been
one.
rolling.
Cletus, trying to ramp that weird little...
I know, I already said it.
Huh.
Cletus trying to ramp that little dinky thing. And he's gonna hurt himself. I know he is.
Or he might hit that car or something.
He's gonna hurt himself.
Or electric pole.
No, he's gonna hurt himself.
Yeah.
Don't fall.
Fall.
He fell. He fell.
Yep.
One more time.
Do you have anything to say? And I'm gonna videotape it too. You're trying it again.
This is how it works. Because it's still going to hit the snow and it'll go overboard. It's just covering right now.
Second try.
Let's see.
You push it up.
Coming on this way. It should work.
Second try.
What?
Oh, wait.
What?
Wait.
Yeah.
Second
Then
try.
you lift up.
Oh, you jump.
Second try.
Again.
No, it's just second try.
It's still rolling.
Bet you he's gonna do it till he gets it. Huh?
Too bad. He probably won't have the money to fix his bones. Or dental plan. Or just might hit that dog. Just missed it. Poor dog. Here he goes. Damn.
Second try. Ramping this.
I'm gonna make
Ramping this. It's gonna be scary.
I'm gonna make funny music like dog.
Oh! He's gonna fall, and I'm gonna hit him if he breaks the bone.
I'm gonna go da 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 da.
I'm gonna hit him and freak out.
So you start running.
I will. I'll start running and freak out. I'll send this to Scarred.
Or give him that scarf and put it around his ball.
I'll say, hey, you break a bone, I'm sending this to Scarred.
Or home video. Da.
Here he goes.
Da.
Move.
Da da. Oh!
Oh, wow, he actually made it.
Except an inch. Actually, 3 inches. What do you like to say?
That was awesome.
He did it!